So if you're planning to decide whether part of your code to be compiled or not, you need to use a preprocessor directive in C or C++. Specifically, if you're using a GCC compiler, you can use this preprocess directive called if condition plus the GCC flag, debugging flag -d. So let me show you an example here. So here I have a very simple program, which is a C program that prints out hello. And if I want to decide I want part of the code to be compiled or not, I can use this preprocessor flag called if defined. Let's say we can give it a name, joke, and then I can copy another print function and then put it inside here. Just change it, joke, and then I need to end the flag, end if. Then when I compile, for example, here's my terminal over here. Well, what I do is I'm using the GCC compiler, so I do the output to be out, then I give it the file, the C file, then it compiles and I get a out.exe. When I run out.exe, I only see hello there. I don't see hello joke. But if I want to see hello joke, I need to specify part of the code to be compiled. At this point, it's hidden. So what I'm going to do is I will I'll give it the debugging flag D. I'm not sure if it is debugging flag or not, but you specify D and then the preprocessor flag name, just like that. Then you compile it. Then, and if you do again this, you see hello there and hello joke. So this is usually helpful if you're doing debugging. So you have a code and you want to see the result of a specific variable, but you don't want to see it on the release code. So all you have to do is just, encapsulate it in a preprocessor flag, and then you just give it a flag name. And when you compile, you specify that flag during compilation if it is for debugging purpose. So the next step is we want to use make file. So I don't want to always write down this to compile my code. So I can simply want to do that using make file by specifying make. So first we need to specify some variables. That's my GCC. Then in the next step is my target is to create an out function. An out binary file. Then if I'm doing debugging, then I do this. Just create a name called debug. Then I'm going to concatenate the name of the preprocessor variable, which is in my case is joke. So what I do is I will use cc plus equal -d joke. Then again, I don't know, for some reason you have to do this if you want it to work. That means I have to specify my target name. My target is out. I can say out, or I can call the name of my output binary file. Then we come down here. I'm trying to create this binary file called target. Then I'm using main.c then I use the cc variable. Then my output is going to be dash out. It's going to be this, and then my file name is going to be, what was it? Probably this one. And that's it. Oh, if I want to clean it, remove what out.exe, and that's our make file. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the make file. So first let me clean it. So as you can see, I have out.exe over here, so I'm going to clean it out. So I'm going to call make clean. Then once I have that, let's say I don't want debugging. So what I'm going to do is just make, and no, unfortunately it's not working. Oh yeah, what I'm missing is this part. I have to specify all, and it has to be target. Yep. So sorry. So we do make clean again. So make. So now it's compiling without the debugging code. So part of the debugging code is ignored. But if I want to compile it, so if I run the code, for example, let's run it out.exe. So as you can see, I have out.exe. There you go. But I'm gonna do make clean again. Nothing. So if I do